if you go to this platform, Pinterest, right, you're going to see a ton of cartoon, 3D cartoon images, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create these images for free using completely free AI tools. We're going to be using two platforms, Google Nano Banana and of course ChatGPT. So the first one, of course, we're going to try out is Nano Banana. So when you log on to Google Nano Banana, right? Now, right here, you come to where you have tools. You're going to click, and of course, you go to where you have create image, because remember, we're working with images. Right, so next up, I'm going to upload the particular image I want to turn to a cartoon image. So I'm going to click this. So as you can see right here, I've successfully uploaded the image. So next up, I'm going to input the prompt I want to use. So I'm going to say, create a 3D Pixar cartoon image of the picture I just uploaded. Alright, so then you go down to where you have submit. Wow, and as you can see, this is the outcome we got from Google's Nano Banana. I think it's pretty interesting, right? So if you're impressed with this, you can just go right ahead and click this to download your image. But if you're not satisfied with this result, of course, you can go ahead and tweak the image as well. So I think this is pretty cool, right? So let's go into ChatGPT and repeat the same request. So I'm going to click this to upload my image, and I'm going to go with this one. And once the image has been successfully uploaded, I'm going to also input the same prompt. Okay, so let's see so this is what ChatGPT came up with. Yes, I'm not too impressed with this because I wanted a Pixar-like exactly. So I wanted these kind of images. So as you can see, the result that ChatGPT gives us is quite different. So I'm going to tweak the prompt a bit. So I'm going to say, let me just copy and paste the prompt right here. Control to paste. Now the prompt says create a smooth Pixar-style 3D cartoon character of the image above. Okay, and he should be sitting on an orange-colored sofa with a laptop on his lap and with both fists, in celebration. So I want an image of the same character, a cartoon image of the same character, but this time he should be sitting on a sofa with a laptop on his lap and of course his hands in celebration mode. So once again, I'm going to upload the image. Yes, let me work with a different image this time around. Let me work with this image, right? So let's see if it's going to give us exactly what we want. Right, so I'm going to paste this in, put this prompt and other prompts in our Telegram channel, so you can of course subscribe there for prompts, good prompts for your project. So I'm going to click this to send, and let's see what it's going to come up with. Whoa, I think this is pretty cool. Yeah, so this is the image that we got from after I modified the prompt, right? So this is what ChatGPT gives to us. So I think I'm pretty impressed with this one, right? So I just go right ahead and click the save button right here to save our image. So this is pretty much how you can convert any image to an actual image to a cartoon image, of course using the right prompts, right? So as you can see right here, let's go back to Pinterest, and you can pretty much see that the image we generated from ChatGPT is pretty similar to what we have, or pretty much the same. So you can see that the image we just generated from using ChatGPT is pretty much same as what we have on Pinterest, right? They're pretty much the same quality, crisp and sharp. So this is pretty much how you can convert any image to a cartoon character. So if I should compare, I think the one we generated from ChatGPT is much better than the one we got from Google Nano Banana. Right, so this is one we got from Google Nano Banana, and this is the one we got from and this is one we got from ChatGPT. So as you can see, this is way better. So if you found this video useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, because I post a lot of AI related content every week. So if you want me to do a video on how you can make these images to talk, leave the request in the comment section, or of course like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel, because that video, how to make your 3D cartoon images talk, sing, and engage in all sort of activities, is coming up next. So ensure you are subscribed and the notification is turned on. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.